There's a woman there dying anapeleka hospitali. You know mnafaa mfungue barabara moja. Hata kama ni president amesema. Show me the hospital, I need to speak to him. This is Kenya. This is our country, man, guys. You can't do this. And I'm talking this to the president. There's a woman dying. You open one road, guys. We are here in Thika Road, guys. Are stuck for the last 1 hour. You can see everyone is stuck. There's a woman dying over there. She's pregnant. Amefukiwa barabara. I'm just from working. I want to see what's happening. This is Kenya for you. Watu wamechelewa for 10 minutes. But it's unfair. I hear the hospital. I want to go speak to the hospital. Kuna mama ako pale tunataka saidiwe. Ako na mimba. I doubt. The hospital not allow anybody to die. So this is Kenya for you. I need to speak to the hospital himself. I'm live. Yes. Hi guys. Sasa mrembo. Na wapi hospital hata kuongea naye? Nataka kuongea na hospital. I need to speak to him. There's a woman dying over there. Anapeleka hospitali. Hapo mwisho. Where is the hospital? Nataka kuongea naye nimueleze. Hapo wapi boss? What hospital hapo wapi? Where is that? I need to speak to her. Somebody is dying. This is Kenya. This is our country. I am going to speak to her. She's the one walking. She's the one. I'm following her. Madam Hospital, I want to speak to you. She's the one. This is Kenya for you guys. There's a woman dying. Mwanamke barabara imefungwa. I need to speak to the hospital because I don't believe it. So barabara ifunguliwe moja, watu wapite. Madam, how are you? My name is Adrian Mogo. I'm a detective. I'm just from Muthaiga police station. Footdraw police officers tumetoka kazi. You can see my car is over there. Kuna mwanamke ako hapa anakufa na peleka hospitali yako na mimba. So I want to know if the president of the inspector general of police amesema si mngefungua barabara moja for the sake of people who are genuine and security officers, or somebody will seek like that to save a life. So nataka tu kukuomba, is it possible barabara moja ifunguliwe for the ambulances, for the police, for the sick? Who has given orders? Because if it's the inspector general of police, we can speak to him. Naomba, tafadhali sweetheart. Amba kuja ongea ndio station ule mama. The woman is pregnant. Pigi ID. Ndio amesema barabara ifungwe. Oh my God. Let me do it now. It's unfair. No. Mumempi situation. Hey, this is Kenya. Hospital amesema hata imetoka kwa president. Kenya for you guys. I want to see. I'm live on my Facebook. Madam amesema ni order imepeana. Yes, because I'm a Kenyan. I'm trying to make a call because there's a woman dying. Ako na mimba na ako nyuma yetu. Ndiye akikufa ijulikane. Yes, I'm live guys. I'm from work. Watu wamefungiwa mabarabara. Kuna mama mwanamke ako na mimba nyuma yangu. And I just want to know. I'm trying to look for inspectors and police. Kama watu wamefanya makosa wastakiwe wapelekwe kotini. But can you imagine there's a woman who is pregnant behind me na barabara imefungwa. Wanasema auto imetoka from above. I don't know which above. I'm just calling I'm trying to call our inspector general police. The phone is not going through. Mr. Mutiambai, I'm calling him.
Please record.
I'm calling the inspector general police. You guys can see.
Stop the recording.
Nimetoka kazi. I want to know why Kenyans are suffering. Because wamechelewa 10 minutes. But kuna mwanamke, kuna watu anakufa nyuma yangu ako na gari. Na honestly speaking, she's been here for the last 1 hour. So nataka kuomba, is it possible hata kama kuna curfew wanafungua barabara moja for necessities? We have security officers, we have people who are sick. I have an ambulance behind me and you can see how thick it is, guys. At least for me nimetoka kazi. Thank God I've been with officers doing some work. This is the situation of Thika Road. This is Kenya, our country. I'm trying to call the Inspector General of Police live. Achukui simu. But this is so bad. This is Kenya. Guys, Kenya, do we deserve this? Tunalipa tax. We don't deserve this. But it's not fair. It's not fair. I know our President, Inspector General of Police will never allow this to happen. I'm willing to record statement. I'm willing to record statement. I know it's not fair. I'm willing to record statement. There's a woman behind me dying. I'm willing to record this statement. I'm live on video. What is your opinion about this lockdown? What is your opinion?
This nonsense, Bwana.
Can you imagine? Me, I was there, but you see, can you talk your grievances? Our president is here. Hata tu basi watakiwa wengine waende hospitali. Na wenye naenda kazi, we have doctors here. Mimi ni security, nimetoka kazi, honestly. So, it's not fair. It's not fair. You guys, you wanna go stairs, it's not fair. It's not fair. Ana kama ni kustakiwa tustakiwe. Watu waende police station wastakiwe. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. I'm telling you guys, barabara zifunguliwe. It's not fair. It is not fair. Look at that. They're asking for money. They're asking for money from people. Walikuwa naitisha hongo. Get life and say your problem. Get life and then you can life again. Wafungue president asala. You get life uongee. I'm willing to go to court. It's not fair. Necessities kama police wako pale. Mimi niko na officers natoka kazi. It's not hata watu wastakiwe. Mimi ama insecurity. Watu wapelekwa kotini. Watu wastakiwe twende polisi wote. But it's not fair to block people who are sick. It is not my president. Uhuru hawezi kafanya hivi. Si Uhuru. I want to see that number plate because si Uhuru ametumana. I know my president. And I'm a Kenyan and an activist. And I'm in security. Nimetoka kazi. This is my badge. Nimetoka Muthaiga police station. I've been working for the last 6 hours. Kwa nini leo wanaumia? This is Kenya. Inspector General, I want to record statement. It's not fair to Kenyans. Nasema ni vibaya what you are doing. Nakwambia hivi I have a woman pregnant. Anazalia kwa gari yangu. Pale nyuma. I know. Can you imagine necessity? Wengine wanaenda kudonate the blood. Let me have that.
No, I'm stuck.
I know. Let me see have that. This is somebody who is a necessity going to work.
I'm stuck.
It's not fair. Me, I'm sure my president will never say, watu wastakiwe. Watu wastakiwe kama wamefanya makosa. But in the whole country, it's not fair. You guys, I support police all the time, but it's not fair. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? It's not fair. I'm live. Imagine the whole, for that 6 hours, I'm live. Niko live.
Very right.
Imagine mama mwingine anatalia pale nyumba. It's not fair. Back ambulance. Back ambulance. And guys have been asking for money. I'm live, guys. I'm live on my Facebook.
You're live?
I'm live. You can talk to my viewers.
Hi, guys.
Tell them something. Yes. They're asking what do you want to say, my viewers?
This is very unfair, but now there's no day we will ever receive.
Yeah, and the Kenyan government. I want to tell you
kama Kenya tunaishi kwa rent.
This is our country. We give money. My name is Jane Moga. I'm in security. Nimetoka job.
I can see your badge.
Nimetoka job. Na nimefungiwa. Is it fair? Kuna mwanamke nyuma yangu ako na mimba anasalia kwa gari. Mimi ni essential angalieni. Nimetoka job. This is my badge. Na raia kawaida. Hapa tukiongea unaponda disrespect. Hapana. Wamesema atu wamemgojea order from above. The president will never do this. The inspector general will never do this. The DC will never do this. But it's not fair. Watu wako na kadi
za job.
I know it's not fair. Kenya for you, barabara imefungwa. Wakenya wanaumia.
Tunaumia jo. Tunaumia sisi bana. Alafu president ana nchi kwa nini yake?
Imani yetu we voted.
Kenya si yako.
Someone is going on their job. Someone is sleeping on their job, man.
Watu wapeleke station wote. Watu wapelekwe station. I know. This is not fair. I'm live. This is not fair. I'm live. I'm live on my Facebook. This is not fair. This is not fair. Lapa fungue barabara moja for issues. You can suffer, you are Kenyans. Our president, Kenyans are crying. We have guys in Abulas who are dying. I am asking, is this order from above? It's not our president. It's not fair, guys. Look at the traffic for the last 6 hours. For the last 1 hour. Look at this. The road is closed. Guys, they have opened the road now. Wanafungua barabara. Watafungua. Kenyans are so unhappy. I swear to God. Hata nimeweza kucheka. Wamesema wanafungua barabara. They are waiting for orders from above. Wanasema wanapojea order. Mimi nimeingia rais. Niko sorry. Talk to Kenya. Talk to the president. This woman is good for the maternity. You can see her, she's sick. Anafungiliwa. Can you look at this? She's sick. Can you see? Anafungiliwa. Nimeingia live. Sawa, bye. I was live. Wamefungua barabara. I'm so happy. Kelele yangu imesaidia. But this is Kenya, our country. Mr. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, we love you, we respect you. Our deputy president, this is not the Kenya we voted for. I'm so happy. Wamefungua barabara. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright, guys. Aki Kenya for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for opening the road. As you can see, wamefungua barabara, watu wanatoka sasa. I am so happy. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kenyans. Wamefungua barabara. This is Kenya for us. We need our freedom, guys. We need to fight for what belongs to us. So get ready to move. The road is being opened. The road is being opened, as you can see. Asanteni sana.